Hey everyone, Baron Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate, our newest lease listing in the closest precinct to Port Denarau. It is 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, all brand new. Check out this huge master bedroom, walk-in closet with built-ins. Really, really beautiful. Talk about great workmanship. Everything in here is really, really nice. Let's have a look. So we've got 2 bedrooms and bathrooms downstairs with their own en-suites along with the master that we just saw. Laundry room with washer and dryer. Half bath downstairs. Upstairs, let's give it a quick go. We've got 2 bedrooms plus a bathroom up here. Great thing is, look at this nice built-in desk too. So home office, all the mattresses are brand new here as well. So, I mean, if you're looking for something, look at the views, just beautiful. This is a place that you're gonna wanna be in. Like I said, closest precinct to Port Denarau, 6,500 Fiji dollars per month. Minimum 6-month lease term. Landlord and owner would consider something longer. Look at this kitchen. Huge, great room here. Pacific green furniture. You've got a great sitting area out here too that you can relax in as well. But more importantly, look at this. Really fabulous. Check out our website, professionalsfiji.com, for more information. If you're interested in setting up a private tour, or give us a call locally here in Fiji, 679-675-1167, or +1 310 439 2565 from the States. Cheers.